First step, I want you to personalize your copy of Microsoft PowerPoint. So you go to the backstage view to do that. Options. Personalize your copy. Make sure your username has your first and last name and your initials. We have a 15-minute time limit on these videos, so we got to go quickly. So after you've personalized your copy, click OK. Next step says create a footer for all slides that includes the student name and fixed date. So to add a footer, what tab do you insert a footer? Insert, header footer. We want it on the slides. So make sure that the slide is, the tab is shown. So you want to include the student name and a fixed date. So you want to include the date, fixed of today's date, and the footer would be your first and last name. Yes. And then you're going to apply that to all. All right, now it says preview your presentation. So go to slideshow view and preview it. Make sure that all the slides, in fact, have the correct footer. 5, copy the graphic to the slide master so that it will appear in the upper left corner on all slides. So this is the only graphic. You're going to copy this. And we're going to put it on the slide master. Instead of going through each one of these slides and inserting this picture, we're going to do it from the slide master. So go to the view, slide master, and you're going to paste that picture so that way it is on all of the slides. When you get the picture, add a little formatting to the picture so that way I'll know that you actually did change the picture. The what? What stopped working? Theirs is still going. So change the format of the picture whatever way you choose, so that way I know that you did change it. And we actually want to put it in the upper left corner. And then put it behind, so that way it's behind the text. There we go. Huh? Oh, my bad. Yeah. Top left. I don't know my left from around Mondays. right, close the master slide. And now you should see, if you preview your presentation again, you should see that picture on every single slide. Number 6, well, yours may be different. Just listen to what I tell you to do. Print the entire presentation as 6 slides per page. Include a header with your first and last name. So File, go to the Backstage view because we want to print. Print. Well, we're going to print handouts. I don't care if it's horizontal or vertically. That's just the order of the slides. I don't care. 6 slides per page. Include a header with your first and last name. So you're going to edit your header and footer information. We're on notes and handouts. So the header should have your first and last name on it. Your footer, I'm including a footer. You need to put the name of the activity. And while we're here, go ahead and do the date. So date, header, and footer. And apply it to all. How many handouts should we have printing? One page should be printed. Change the color to grayscale. Save me some ink. Now send it to the printer. Don't get it, just send it to the printer. Next step says select only slide 1 for printing. So we go back to the Backstage view. We're only printing slide 1. We're going to print the full slide in pure black and white. So under print all slides, we do not want all slides printed. So you've got a couple of options. You can print the current slide if it's already on slide 1, or custom range. Select custom range and put 1 because we only want slide 1. We want to print this. It says full slide. In black and white. So you change grayscale to pure black and white. And you should see your information still at the bottom. So you send that to the printer. Just leave it for right this second. Now we're going to save this presentation as a video with the Lesson 3 Exercise 1 Your Name. Stop, because we're going to save it this time as a video through Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, well, fine. I don't know what happened. But now we're in Screencast. Now click Done in Screencast-O-Matic.